Good morning. Thanks for joining us. There's the big bell. This morning, we're watching the markets. I'm Ana Cabrera in for Carol Costello. Thank you so much for being here. What will happen to your investments this morning? Market crashes in China, debt debacles in Greece, that nearly 4-hour stop at the NYSE yesterday following some kind of technical glitch. All these questions throwing into question what will happen. Right now, you can see, though, we're starting off in a good positive light. 76 points is the Dow up this morning. CNN's business correspondent Allison Kosick is monitoring this from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Also with us this morning, Chief Business Correspondent Christine Romans and CNN Global Economic Analyst and Time Assistant Managing Editor Rana Faruhar. Let's start with Allison there at the exchange. Tell us what's happening right now.
Good morning, Ana. It feels like business as usual. I'm seeing traders bustle around. I don't know if you see them running by me, making trades. It's like yesterday didn't happen. Earlier, before that opening bell rang, a lot of traders told me they were cautiously optimistic that the trading today would go smoothly. That's, of course, after, as you said, the floor of the exchange was basically shut down for almost 4 hours because of a technical glitch. Now, late yesterday, the president of the New York Stock Exchange said they had found the problem and fixed it. And in a statement, they called it a, quote, configuration issue, which in computer speak means that some settings weren't put out there properly when the NYSE unleashed some new software the previous evening. Well, now what? Now comes the concern from many traders about whether or not the New York Stock Exchange could take a hit to its reputation. One trader jokingly telling me, I'm worried that the New York Stock Exchange is going to be put in the penalty box, meaning the worry is that trades won't be routed all the time to the New York Stock Exchange because of worries that those trades won't go through. However, yesterday when the exchange reopened at the end of the day, we did see a rush of volatility, a rush of orders, so we did see many signs of confidence coming back. And more confidence to the market, the Dow up almost 200 points only a couple of minutes into the trading day. Ana?
And we're hearing the energy there with you, Allison. A few woohoos. People are walking by. It seems like people are energized and ready to get to work today. Thanks so much. I want to bring in Christine and Rana now to discuss a little bit more about what we can expect moving forward here. Obviously, Christine, it has been a very roller coaster week. Right now, we're seeing this huge spike this morning. I mean, what's next?
There are 4 big fears here. You've got Greece to deal with, and we're in the last moments of that. There will be some resolution here in the near term. If Greece falls out of the euro, I expect it could be trouble for your 401k, at least in the very near term, as the dollar gets strong and the euro declines, if there are real worries about Europe. You've got China, a stock market crash in China. That is still a big uncertainty what it's going to mean for Chinese consumers. U.S. investors are pretty much immune of losing their own money in the Chinese market. I mean, it's not even really a normal market. It's very controlled by the government. But China is a real concern. Commodities have been moving sharply. Oil prices down sharply. A lot of commodities are moving. That's destabilizing. And then you've got the Fed. The Fed will eventually have to raise interest rates. So there are 4 big, I think, fears or factors in the market right now that could keep things choppy in the near term.
And that being said, Rana, what should people do? I mean, we're watching. Is there a deadline where we're waiting to reach?
Well, you know, the European situation is going to come to a head on Sunday. There's going to be a big vote. We're going to see what the ECB might come up with. We're going to see what Greece is going to come up with in terms of another proposal for the Europeans to bail them out. So I expect that the markets are going to be jittery around that through early next week. The Chinese situation is really interesting because the government essentially came in and put a floor under the market yesterday, which goes to your point, Christine, about how controlled that market is. I think there's going to be continual jitters there. Because they're having a major debt crisis. You know, they have about 3 times the amount of debt that we do here in the U.S. We worry about debt and deficit here. The Chinese have 3 times as much. Until they solve that problem, you're going to see a market that is out of sync with the real economy in China, and that makes for volatility.
I'm surprised how resilient American markets have been, though.
Yeah.
We were just talking about this. It's still, as Mohammed El-Arian, the big investor, says, the United States is still the cleanest dirty shirt in the laundry.
Yeah.
So when there is uncertainty around the world, people tend to want to come to safe havens like the United States.
It's true. And the other thing that's happening is, you know, the Fed was really supposed to raise interest rates in the fall. That's what everyone's been expecting. Because of all this trouble in China, in Greece, that may not happen. That gives the markets a little more time here to run. Of course, the worry is that they're brewing up a bubble and that we could see a correction after that rate hike.
And I do want to go back to Allison just briefly real fast because, of course, there's always money to be made for traders. And, of course, there are some weaknesses right now in the market. But are investors trying to take advantage of this global turmoil, Allison?
You know what's interesting when you ask that, I mean, if you're an average investor like I am, when I see that volatility, it's kind of scary, as many investors would see. But if you're a hardy investor who's been in the market, who's used to these twists and turns, they actually see volatility as a good thing to make money because they wind up buying on the dips. They see those dips as a buying opportunity, kind of like everything's on sale. So you'll see those hardy investors really ride the volatility, and you'll see usually, unless there's, of course, a full-scale correction going on, you'll see maybe some big volatility where you'll see a triple point drop, let's say, for the Dow, and then the next day you'll see it shoot up. That's why you'll see, that's when you'll see those investors really buying in on those dips.
And look at the Dow climb this morning, up 230 points, where we ended the day yesterday. Allison Kosick, Rana Faruhar, and Christine Romanzer, thanks.